Hey everyone, I didn't eat anything yesterday, so today I am making up for it. Let's see. Cake first, then the main meal, then some salad, and of course dessert. That's called the balanced diet, right? Perfect. Everything mixed together. My stomach can handle it. Probably. Not bad. Wait. Why is my stomach sending me emergency notifications? Ever since someone ate enough food for 5 people, it's funny to watch, but what actually happens inside the body when you overeat? First, your stomach expands. An empty stomach holds about 1 liter, but it can stretch significantly. Receptors send signals to your brain saying, I am full. But it takes about 20 minutes for your brain to get the message. That's why fast eaters often overeat before feeling it. A massive meal makes your digestive system work overtime. Blood flow rushes to your stomach and intestines to help digest all that food, which is why you feel so sleepy after heavy meal. If the meal is high in sugar or carbs, your blood sugar spikes quickly. Your pancreas releases insulin to process it. Frequent sugar spikes over time increase the risk of insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Eating one huge meal once in a while won't ruin your health. Your body can handle occasional indulgence. The real concern is chronic overeating, which leads to obesity, heart disease, and high blood pressure. You don't need to stop enjoying big meals forever. Just eat more slowly, listen to your body, and stop when you're comfortably full.